Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm gonna show you how to shake a text in Davinci Resolve. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all our upcoming videos, and let's dive in. To shake a text in Davinci Resolve, you have to go to the Effects panel and then go to Titles. Then drag any simple text like this. Let's stretch it to make it longer, and then click on it, then go for Open FX. Search for the camera shake. Before dragging it to the text, just right click on the text, then New Compound Clip, and click Create. And now you can drag this to the text like so. Let's see the result. It's shaking, but I think it's too slow. What about moving it faster? Let's see. Click on the clip and then go to the inspector and effects. As you can see, we can increase the scale up to like the maximum too. Let's play it again. As you can see, it's faster. So we can add also a motion blur. What about increasing the PTR speed? Look. It will move faster and faster and faster. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all our upcoming videos. And goodbye.